about some great scientists. Index. In this video, we will learn about some important information about the following scientists: Joseph Louis Proust, Jan Ignace, Galileo Galilei, ASAC Newton, Thomas Alva Edison, Nikola Tesla, Albert Einstein, Marie Curie, Alexander Graham Bell, Michael Faraday, Louis Pasteur, Stephan Hawking. The thanking slide will be the final slide of this video. Joseph Louis Proust. He was born in 1754 and died in 1826 AD. Joseph Louis Proust was a French scientist. He analyzed the contents of several compounds and he also discovered the law of constant composition. Initially, several scientists of that time disagreed with him, but eventually he was proved to be correct. Jan Ignace. He was born in 1730 AD and died in 1799 AD. Jan Ignace was a Dutch scientist. He discovered that plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen in the presence of sunlight, and the opposite happens when it is dark. Galileo Galilei. He was born in 1564 AD and died in 1642 AD. Galileo Galilei was an Italian scientist that discovered the principle of pendulum. He also discovered the 4 moons of Jupiter with the telescope. He also discovered that any two objects of different weight, if left from the same height above the ground, then they would reach the ground at the same time. ASAC Newton. He was born in 1643 AD and died in 1727 AD. ASAC Newton was an English mathematician, astronomer, theologian, author, and physicist who is widely recognized as one of the most influential scientists of all time and a key figure in the scientific revolution. Newton developed the 3 laws of motion, which form the basic principles of modern physics. His discovery of calculus led the way to more powerful methods of solving mathematician problems. He also discovered gravity. Thomas Alva Edison. He was born in 1847 AD and died in 1931 AD. Thomas Alva Edison was an American inventor and businessman who has been described as America's greatest inventor. He discovered the incandescent light bulb and one of the earliest motion picture cameras. Nikola Tesla. He was born in 1867 AD and died in 1934 AD. Nikola Tesla was a Serbian-American inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, physicist, and futurist. He is best known for his contributions to the design of the modern alternating current electrical supply system. Albert Einstein. He was born in 1879 AD and died in 1945 AD. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist. He developed the theory of relativity, one of the 2 pillars of modern physics. His work is also known for its influence on the philosophy of science. Marie Curie. She was born in 1867 AD and died in 1934 AD. Marie Curie was a Polish and naturalized French physicist and chemist. She conducted pioneering research on radioactivity. She also discovered polonium. Alexander Graham Bell. He was born in 1847 AD and died in 1922 AD. Alexander Graham Bell was a Scottish-born scientist, inventor, engineer, and innovator. He is credited with inventing and patenting the first practical telephone. He also founded the American Telephone and Telegraph Company in 1885. Michael Faraday. He was born in 1791 and died in 1867. Michael Faraday was a British scientist. He contributed to the study of electromagnetism and electrochemistry. His main discoveries include the principles underlying electromagnetic induction, diamagnetism, and electrolysis. Louis Pasteur. He was born in 1822 AD and died in 1895 AD. Louis Pasteur was a French biologist, microbiologist, and chemist. He is renowned for his discoveries of the principles of vaccination, microbial fermentation, and pasteurization. Stephan Hawking. He was born in 1942 AD and died on 14th March 2018 AD. Stephan Hawking was an English theoretical physicist, cosmologist, and author. His scientific works include a collaboration with Roger Penrose and on gravitational singularity theorems in the framework of general relativity and the theoretical prediction that black holes emit radiation, often called Hawking radiation. Stephen Hawking. Hawking was the first to set out a theory of cosmology explained by a union of the general theory of relativity and quantum mechanics. He was a vigorous supporter of the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. Please like, share, and subscribe. Made by Path Rajput. Thanks for watching.